Just as he was about to strike, a voice spoke up next to her. So as that rival was coming towards Cesario and he had a sword in his hand, what happened? A voice spoke next to her, means now somebody else has entered, the third person, somebody else came. Stop! I know this young man. He is my dearest friend, the stranger said to her opponent. If this young man has done any wrong, I will pay for it. And if you harm him, I will fight for him. Now see the twist in the story. This is man 1 and man 2 appears from somewhere. This man 1 wants to fight with Cesario, but this man 2 wants to save Cesario. Who was he? Let us see. Viola was greatly relieved. Yes, she was relieved. Who was this kind man who had stepped in? Kind sir, she began to say. But before she could finish, 2 guards came and stood before them. As Cesario, means Viola, wanted to talk to this man too, 2 more guards came. Okay, those guards were, let us see, the guards were of maybe Orsino. So these guard 1 and guard 2, they came here in that area. Antonio, we have come on the orders of the Duke. You are under arrest. What for? Asked Viola. So yes, now this is clear that this man too, his name was Antonio. His name was Antonio. And Orsino's soldiers have come to arrest him. Viola asked why. He knows well the offense he committed some years before. He wounded Duke Orsino's nephew in a fight and then fled the land. Now we have finally found him. So what he had done? He had injured Duke Orsino's nephew in a fight. And now when the guards have found him, they are there to arrest him. Antonio, the gentleman who had saved Viola, then turned to Viola. Let us turn our pages. And said, all this is because I came searching for you, but never mind. I am glad that you are well. Now please give me the purse I had handed to you. I shall need it. So what Antonio said to Cesario? That I gave you my purse. I need it back. I came searching for you in this place in Illyria. Now because of you I am arrested. Please return my purse. Which purse? Let us see what is the twist actually. What purse? Asked Viola. Yes, she was surprised, means Cesario or Viola one and the same. Viola was surprised. I have never seen you before. Viola said, I have never seen you. Who are you? How can you give me my purse? Give your purse to me. But you have saved my life and I shall be happy to give you whatever money I have. Viola said, I'll give you some money. Whatever I have, I'll give you all the money because you saved my life from this strange man one. But I do not have your purse. Antonio got angry. Sebastian, you ungrateful man, I saved you from dying. For your sake, I came here to Illyria, although it was dangerous for me. And now you deny me my own purse? Now it was clear. Antonio was thinking Cesario as Sebastian. He said, I saved your life, Sebastian. I came for you only in Illyria, and now you are not giving my purse back. As soon as Viola heard herself being referred to as Sebastian, she was relieved. It made sense now that yes, Antonio actually knew Sebastian, and maybe Antonio had given his purse to Sebastian. So now he was asking his purse back, which meant her brother was alive. So Viola was also relieved. The positive point was that it means Sebastian is alive. Wait, she called out to Antonio, but the guards had already taken him away. By that time, these 2 guards had taken Antonio away. Although Viola had understood the confusion, she did not know the details. She did not know that Antonio was a sea captain who had rescued Sebastian. So yes, Antonio was a sea captain who had saved Sebastian's life. He had then struck up a deep friendship with Sebastian. The two went together everywhere. When Sebastian wanted to visit Duke Orsino's court, Antonio faithfully agreed. So same, Sebastian also wanted to meet Duke Orsino and Antonio agreed for it. But Antonio knew that if he was discovered in Illyria, that if I will, Antonio knew that if I will enter Illyria, the guards will capture me, they will imprison me. So he stayed on the shore. What is shore? S-H-O-R-E, Kinara. And gave Sebastian his purse. He wanted Sebastian to enjoy making purchases at the marketplace. So this was the thing. Antonio saved Sebastian. They became very good friends. Sebastian wanted to meet Orsino, but Antonio could not go with Sebastian. So Antonio gave his purse to Sebastian and said, you go, enjoy, do shopping for yourself, meet Orsino, I cannot come. But maybe Sebastian had not returned from Illyria, so Antonio had to enter. And when Antonio entered that place, Antonio saw Caesario and he thought Caesario is Sebastian, right? And by that time the confusion was not over. The guards imprisoned Antonio. So this was the confusion which happened. Antonio kept waiting for Sebastian to return, but the young man did not come back. Antonio finally set off to look for him, means he himself went to look. He then saw Viola dressed like a man, means Caesario, and mistook her for Sebastian. Antonio believed that his dear friend Sebastian was in trouble and drew his sword to defend him, to protect him. When Viola said she had never met Antonio before and did not have any purse, he was shocked. When Caesario said, means Viola or Caesario said, that which purse you are asking? I don't know you. I don't have your purse. Antonio got angry because both were correct. Antonio was correct because he was thinking Caesario is Sebastian. Caesario was correct, means Viola was correct because Viola had really not seen Antonio before. No wonder he accused her of being untrue. Once Antonio had left with the guards, Viola quickly returned home. So when Antonio was imprisoned by the guards, Viola returned home. Which home means? Orsino's palace. But the gentleman who had challenged her to a duel remained on the streets looking for his rival. But see, Viola, means Caesario went back to the court, Orsino's court. But this man one kept on looking for Caesario to have a fight because he also loved Olivia. Soon he saw a familiar figure and called out, "Hey!" So this man one saw somebody and called out, "Hey!" It was Sebastian who was looking for his friend Antonio. Now see the confusion. Real Antonio, this Antonio is captured now, right? But man one is looking for Caesario. And he found Sebastian. So this man one, he found Sebastian. Now he captured Sebastian. Not captured, like he said, "Hey," and he wanted to fight with the real Sebastian. Viola is at Orsino's palace now. Antonio is imprisoned. Man one has found the real Sebastian. The gentleman walked up to Sebastian and struck him a blow. Sebastian was confused. This man one went and just blowed Sebastian, like hit him. Sebastian was very confused. Why? Who is he? Why is he fighting with me? But he returned the blow swiftly and drew his sword. Sebastian also returned the blow. He also hit him and drew out his sword, talwar. As they were about to start the fight, a lady interrupted them. So now this man one and Sebastian were about to start their duel, their fight. Somebody came and interrupted them. That somebody was Lady Olivia. Of course, it was Lady Olivia, of course. "Gentlemen, stop. No blood shall be drawn on my account. Like, because of me, do not fight." It was Lady Olivia, of course. She had mistaken Sebastian for Cesario. Now it was the real Sebastian who was fighting with this strange man. But Olivia thought that Sebastian is Cesario. I am so sorry. She believed that they were both fighting for her favor, like both are fighting for me. I'm so sorry you were rudely attacked, she said to Sebastian. Come to my house and rest a while. So Lady Olivia said to Sebastian, you were attacked because of me. Come and rest at my place. Sebastian was confused. Why some strange lady is coming and helping me? But he was happy that okay, good. Thank you, my lady, said Sebastian, baffled. Baffled means he was confused.